Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to sign up and log into Slack online. Please make sure to watch this video to the very end so you don't miss out on important information and to not make any mistakes. In saying that, let's dive into it. Alright guys, on your PC, laptop or even your mobile device, open up any web browser and head on over to slack.com. Once you have put in slack.com, you'll come to this page here. This is the official website of Slack. So you can sign up with an email address or sign up with Google and you can try it for free. So click on sign up with Google. Choose your Google account that you'd like to sign up to Slack with. So for this demonstration, I'm going to do Tutorial Whiz. And then it says here, get started on Slack. It's a new way to communicate with everyone that you work with. It's faster, better organized, and more secure than email. And it's free to try. So go ahead and click on create a workspace and then click on it's okay to send me marketing about Salesforce including Slack. I can unsubscribe at any time, so you can either have that ticked or unticked. So go ahead and click on create workspace, and then once that is done, you'll be brought to the page of Slack here. So you want to enter in what's the name of your company or team. So I'm going to put in Tutorial Whiz, and then I want to click on next. There's 5 different steps here, so I can use this profile picture. If you don't have one that automatically pops up, you can find one on your computer and upload it. So who else is on the Tutorial Whiz team? So you can invite all the people's email addresses here, or you can skip this step and come back to it later. What's your team working on right now? So put in what you're working in here and then click on to next. So for this demonstration, I'm going to put in tech tutorials. And then click on free. Start with free, or you can upgrade the pro, but click on start for free if you're new to Slack. And then you can click on show me around, and that will show you around the Slack website or app. So yeah, that's it for this quick tutorial guys, how to sign up and log into Slack. Thanks for watching till the very end of this tutorial. Please consider to like this video and subscribe to our channel if you found it was helpful.